How to sell Ticketmaster ticket on Seatgeeks. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to sell Ticketmaster tickets on Seatgeeks, you'll need to list them on the Seatgeeks marketplace. So first of all, you need to check if Seatgeeks supports selling tickets for specific events and if your tickets are eligible for resale according to Seatgeeks. After you have verified that, you can go ahead and create or log in into your Seatgeek account. If you don't already have one, create a Seatgeek account using the same email address associated with your Ticketmaster account. And after you have done that, you'll typically need to transfer the ticket from your Ticketmaster account to Seatgeeks. This often involves selecting the tickets in the Ticketmaster and choosing the transfer option and following the prompt to send them according to your Seatgeek account. And once imported, navigate to Tickets, tap on Seatgeek and select the ticket you would like to sell and then simply choose the sell option. After you have done that, you can go ahead and review and confirm your listing details. Your tickets will be officially listed on the Seatgeek marketplace. And after you have done that, once your ticket sells, Seatgeek will send you an email requesting your bank information for your payout. You will typically receive your payout 5 or 8 days after the event. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.